Good morning, Kutties. This is EduStars Class 2 EVS video. I am very happy to meet you after a long gap. Many of your parents attended PTM. Many students have completed the classwork and book exercise fully. Very good, my dear students. Claps for you. Only very few students didn't write the classwork fully. At least hereafter you have to start writing in the classwork. I want to say you one more thing. நீ வீடியோ பார்த்து முடிச்சப்புறம் நிறைய ஃப்ரீ டைம் இருக்கும். அப்போ அம்மா உன்னை ரீடிங், ரைட்டிங் இல்லை மேத் டேபிள்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாச்சும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒர்க் கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா நீ கண்டிப்பாக அதை பண்ணணும். உன் நாலேஜ் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணத்தான் அம்மா உனக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒர்க் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ நீ பண்ண மாட்டேன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. அப்போ தான் நீ குட் குட்டி. ஓகே, நவ் let us move on to today's topic. Students, hereafter I am going to teach the basic things that you need to go to 3rd standard. That program is called Target 55. That is T55. This program is for 55 days. இந்த 55 டேஸில் எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட் டீச்சர்ஸும் நீ 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் போகிறதுக்கு என்னென்ன பேசிக் லெசன்ஸ் தேவையோ அதை தான் டீச் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ வீடியோஸை மிஸ் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். In EVS, T55 portions are given in this picture. Totally there are 8 lessons. In these lessons, already we have completed 6 lessons. Up to Think Food First. We have to complete the remaining 2 lessons. Water for all, Sun, Light and Shadow. I will teach the next 2 lessons and write classwork in the upcoming videos also. Now I am going to start lesson 10. Water for all. Kutties, human beings, plants, animals and birds need water to live. Students, if you didn't drink water for a long time, how do you feel? Or after running, playing for a long time, how do you feel? You feel thirsty, isn't it? Thirsty means தாகம் எடுக்கிறது. ஒரு நாள் ஃபுல்லாக கூட உன்னால் தண்ணி குடிக்காமல் இருக்கவே முடியாது. ஸோ வாட்டர் பிளேஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ரோல் இன் அவர் லைஃப். We cannot live without water. Do we use water only for drinking? Tell me some other use of water. Think and say. What will we do with water? Shall I say? We use water to drink, to cook food, to wash utensils, to have a bath, to clean the floor, to wash clothes, to build homes, to put out fire, and to grow plants. So we need water for many purposes. Now tell me, from where do we get water? I know you will say from tap, isn't it? But we get water mainly from rain. Rain is the main source of water. Source means what, ma? Source means நமக்கு தண்ணி எங்கிறதெல்லாம் கிடைக்குதோ அதுதான் source. So main source of water is rain. Rainwater only fills pond, lake, river, seas. This year we get more rain isn't it? So, all the lake, pond around our town Kovilpatti was filled with water. Imagine there is no rain for 1 year. What will happen? All the pond, lake, river will dry and there will be no water in that. Even we won't have water in our home itself. So, main source of water is rain. Again I am saying, source means where we get something is called source. Source of water means எங்கிருந்தெல்லாம் நமக்கு தண்ணி கிடைக்குதோ அதுதான் source of water. Tell me some source of water. Shall I say? Rain, pond, lake, river, sea, ocean. These are all the sources of water. I will show you the picture. See the picture? Rain. See the next picture? Pond. Next, lake. Next, you can see river. Then, what is this, cuties? Yes, this is sea or ocean. So, these are all the sources of water. Have you ever thought how we get water from tap in our home? I told you rainwater fills up river, lake, pond, etc. Isn't it? Rainwater is also absorbed by the ground. Ground இருக்குலமா தர அது ரெயின் வர்றப்போ அந்த வாட்டர் எல்லாம் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கும். நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? பெரிய மெஷின், லாரியில் பெரிய மெஷின் கொண்டு வந்து கிரவுண்டுக்குள்ளே பெரிய ஓட்டை போட்டு உள்ளே இருக்கிற தண்ணியெல்லாம் உறிஞ்சி எடுத்துப்போம். isn't it? எப்படி உறிஞ்சி எடுப்போம்? மோட்ரு போட்டு அந்த தண்ணியை ஃபுல்லாக டேங்க்கில் ஏற்றிடுவோம். வீட்டு மொட்டை மாடியில் டேங்க் வச்சுருப்பேன்லம்மா, போர் வாட்டர் அந்த டேங்க்குக்கு போயிடும். ஸோ டேங்க்லேருந்து நம்ம வீட்டுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற டேப்புக்கு எல்லாம் தண்ணி வரும். Hope now you understood how we get water in our home tap. People also dig well to get groundwater. In some places you can see hand pump also. While ma'am was child like you, we don't use motor. We use only hand pump to get water. All the houses will have these hand pumps only. So, we get water from hand pump. So, we get groundwater through wells and tube wells. In hilly places, people get water through springs also. Springs means, in Tamil we will say as நீர் ஊற்று. அதாவது கிரவுண்டில் இருந்து தண்ணி அதுவாகவே ஊறி வெளியே வந்து ஒரு ஸ்மால் ரிவர் மாதிரி ஃப்ளோ ஆகும். அதுதான் ஸ்ப்ரிங். யூ கேன் see springs in hilly places. Hope now you all are clear about uses of water and source of water. Am I right? Water is used for drinking, cooking, washing clothes and vessels, bathing, cleaning, building homes, put up fire, growing plants, etc. Sources of water are rain, pond, lake, river, sea, ocean and groundwater. So, we have learnt uses of water and source of water. Next, we can see about drinking water. You all know that water is very important to us. We cannot drink water from pond, lake, river directly because it contains germs. We only made the water impure, that is dirty, by bathing, washing in the water itself. If we drink this impure water, what will happen? We will become ill. So, you have to kill the germs before drinking. How can we kill the germs? There are many ways to kill the germs. One way is boiling the water. When we boil the water, germs in the water will die. Another way to clean the water is by using water purifier or water filter. See, you can see water filter in this picture. So, water can be cleaned by boiling or by using water purifiers. Most of you have water purifiers in your home, isn't it? Drinking clean water will prevent you from diseases. So, kutties, hereafter drink only boiling water or water from water purifiers. Don't drink the water from tap directly. Next, we can learn about how to save water. Water is precious. Precious means very important. We should not waste water. Nowadays, we are wasting more water. ரொம்ப இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி, அதாவது உங்கள் கிராண்ட்மா கிராண்ட்பா எல்லாம் சின்ன பிள்ளைங்களா இருந்தப்போ எல்லா ஊர்லேயும் பாண்ட், லேக், ரிவர்னு ஏதாச்சும் இருக்கும். அதில் மோஸ்ட்லி தண்ணி ஃபுல்லாக தான் இருக்கும். ஆனால் இப்போ எல்லாம் மோஸ்ட்லி பாண்ட், லேக் எல்லாம் எம்டியாக தான் இருக்குது. நம்ம வாட்டரை சேவ் பண்ணாமல் இப்படியே வேஸ்ட் பண்ணால் கொஞ்சம் இயர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் நமக்கு வாட்டரே இல்லாமல் போயிடும். ஸோ we have to save water. How can we save water? We should not waste water first. While bathing, brushing and all, you should not waste water. What will you do, you know? You will open the tap and start brushing. Till you finish brushing, the tap will be open and all the water will be wasted. See this boy, how this boy is wasting the water. So close the tap when not in use. Next, if any tap is dripping, dripping means சொட்டு சொட்டா தண்ணி விழுகிறது. If any tap is dripping, you have to repair the tap soon. Then ask your parents to build water sump in your home. See this picture, this is called water sump. You can store rainwater. Hope most of you have water sump in your home, isn't it? But it should be covered properly because it has more water, isn't it? So somebody should not slip and fall down. So the water sump should be closed properly and maintained properly because mosquito will breed in it, isn't it? So close the water sump and keep. That's all, kutties. In today's video, we have learnt about uses of water, source of water, drinking water and how to save water. In the next video, I am going to teach you about forms of water and water cycle. So after listening this video, you have to take your EVS book, lesson 10 water for all and start reading. You have to read from page number 79 to 81. That is up to save water. Because up to that only I have taught. So read and learn. Bye bye, cuties. Meet you in the next video.